Kim Kardashian trying to become an attorney in California. Has she done it yet? Is she on her path? Let's talk about it. All right, as you can see here, I think a lot of people have been talking about this. It says Kim Kardashian's unconventional path to becoming a lawyer continues. Okay, so that means she's not one yet. She's on a path to do so. And what does that mean? Here, as we look here at the article, it says Kim Kardashian is pursuing an alternative path to becoming a lawyer in California through the law office study program, bypassing traditional law school. In California, aspiring lawyers can complete a 4-year legal apprenticeship under a practicing attorney or judge in preparation to sit for the bar. Now, to sit for the bar just means you actually take it. I know that phrase kind of throws people all the time when I tell people, oh, you have to sit for the bar. Like, what do you mean sit for it? That just means you have to go and take the bar exam. But let's what is this law office study program? What is that? Obviously, before we talk about that, I think, as a California licensed attorney myself, I think I'm very qualified to speak on this. Like the whole traditional method of becoming an attorney in California, you go to law school, you graduate law school with your doctorate of jurisprudence degree or a juris doctorate degree, you get a JD, and then you take the MPRE, which is the multi-state professional responsibility exam, and then you take the bar exam, and you have to pass the bar exam, then you become a licensed attorney. That's what most of us have done. However, California, the State Bar of California has also that route, but also an alternative route, like an unconditional route. And let's see what that is. If you go right here to see on the State Bar of California's website, you see study in a law office or judge's chambers. In California, you can complete your legal education by attending law school or participating in a program of legal studies within a law office or judge's chambers, also known as the law office study program. Now, that is what Kim Kardashian just did. She did the law office study program. She decided not to go to law school and decided to take this path, right? And this path basically is where you basically go into a lawyer's office or a judge's chambers and you study for 4 years. As you see here, a student in the law office study program must complete 4 years of study of law in a law office under the supervision of a licensed California attorney who has been active and in good standing and actively practiced law for at least 5 consecutive years, or in a judge's chamber under the supervision of a judge of a court of record in California. So apparently Kim Kardashian has done that, and now that she's done that, now she's be responsible for taking the MPRE, like I said earlier, the multi-state professional responsibility exam, and of course she would have to take the California bar exam. And as you all, I think many people know, and if you don't know this, let me tell you, it is widely regarded that California has the most difficult bar exam in the country. I know that. I took it, I passed it, and I can tell you it was probably the most arduous academic endeavor I've ever taken. So she definitely has a task ahead of her. Hey, I don't know who's her bar tutor or whatever, but that's her path and that's what she's doing. I know people reporting that she has a law degree, but the only way you can get a law degree is if you actually go to law school. Once you complete this program, they don't give you a degree. As you see here on the State Bar's website, there is no mention of some sort of degree or completion certificate or anything like that. If they do have that, I just never heard of it, and I don't see it here. But I can tell you that this is a non-traditional path, and hey, the State Bar of California allows it, and if she passes the bar, she could become a licensed attorney once she gets sworn in, and once she does the background check. Every lawyer has to go through that. They have to get a background check and do what's called moral determination, and also you have to get sworn in. Once you're sworn in, hey, you can go out there and start protecting the public by giving them your legal representation. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think that this is something that is viable, is a good idea for the State Bar of California to allow people to do this whole non-traditional path? I've heard all kind of comments of people saying that they don't like this, it shouldn't be right, you should have to go to law school. What do you think? I mean, the California bar is so difficult that where they feel like, hey, If you pass that, you should be able to do it. But I want to hear from you. Tell me what you think. What do you think about this whole Kim Kardashian thing and her becoming, completing her law for study program and now going into, I guess, sit for the bar exam? I don't know if she's going to take it here soon, but I want to know what you think. I would love to hear your thoughts. Like, comment, share, subscribe. It's your brother, Attorney Jeff.